did decide to ride over here, get us a little show. Hell yeah. They're having some issues right now. Looks like he showed up with a rag and some kind of spray. He's spraying under the front of it. I'm assuming wetting it to make it slicker. That's what it looks like. Uh-oh. Old Dad done climbed up in the seat. See what happens if old Dad does it any better. Oh, look at that. He did move it. Got her now. He telling her don't stop. Let's see what happens with this other airboat now, because it's further back than that one. That's a lot smaller airboat. Oh hell no, he got it figured out. Yes, sir. I'm glad we did ride over here to the airboat ramp.